How to crop video in CapCut. Hey guys, today we have got another exciting CapCut tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to crop a video in CapCut on your PC. Whether you want to remove unwanted elements or create a different aspect ratio, we have got you covered. Let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official website to download and install the software. You can also download it from Microsoft Store. Now let's import the video clip you want to crop. Click on import and select the video file you'd like to work with. Once your video is imported, you will see it in the timeline. Drag and drop it into the timeline to start editing. To crop your video, you'll want to use the crop tool. Click on the crop icon, which looks like a square with diagonals line in the toolbar above. With the crop tool selected, you will see handles around the video in the preview window. Click and drag these handles to adjust cropping area. You can also input specific dimension in the toolbar. After making your crop adjustment, it's a good idea to preview your video to ensure it looks the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with the cropping, click apply to confirm the changes. To save or export your cropped video, click on export and select your preferred export setting. Then hit export to save your edited video. And that's how you crop a video in CapCut on your PC. It's a simple yet powerful tool to give your video a customized look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more editing tutorials and tips. If you have any question or any suggestion, feel free to leave them in comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.